Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching us and supporting us. So today on a Mercedes guys E-Class W211 we're going to show you how to fix the code 0410 P0410. This relates to secondary air pump guys. One thing about it is they do go bad, those pumps. Once in a while they will go bad. We had to replace a few in the past on Mercedes vehicles. But first thing, check the fuse and the relays guys. We have the video where to find those. We have probably close to 200 videos on that Mercedes. Check out the playlist in the description below. And now we'll show you how to replace it. If it's not a relay, if it's not a fuse, check the connection. If that's still good, okay, you need to pop that cover up. And that's the secondary air pump right here guys. Always check your connection, your wires here, okay? Everything looks solid for ours. We'll need to disconnect it now because we'll be removing it, so all you need to do is squish on both sides, okay? And pull it up eventually, okay? It's stuck really good. Now we're going to use a reverse Torx, okay? Let's see which one it is. This one is too big. Okay, it's this one here, so this one will be reverse Torx 10 E10 socket. We'll have the links for all the tools we use on our website mechaniclifestyle.com. Okay, so we got this one out now. The bolt is out. Now what we need to do, this bracket right here, we need to pry it open. And this one will be stuck. I guarantee you once in a while it will be stuck really bad. Okay, so now you have to be careful right here where you connect it to the hoses to make sure that everything is good. You can pull the bracket out. Okay, so now you need to pull it to the side, disconnect the hose. Okay, and pull the pump out guys. This is the secondary air pump for it, as you can see right here. Ours is a 2003 model and this is the code right here. So that's it guys, that's how you remove it, that's how you replace it. So all you have to do, put everything back together. Thank you guys for watching, please subscribe and see you guys next time. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.